Hello and welcome to this next edition of my live coding session to create a stablecoin to stablecoin trading bot for Binance stablecoin pairs, which are the pairs that remain about around $1 each, which means that you should be able to trade back and forth without the risk of having the price go up or down too far. My name is Jarrett Dunn. I'm Chief Liquidity Officer of Coindex Labs. Who are Coindex Labs and how can you participate in our free trial? I'm going to link our first video here on YouTube in the bottom of this video's description, as well as all the other videos descriptions, for you to review our value proposition. Alright, so in the previous video we discussed, and I posted the GitHub link for this repository that has this code in it. I've since revised the code a little bit, but what we're going to do today is we're going to build a model to test which of these fee tiers here on Binance would yield the most profitable results. Now we know that the most arbitrage opportunities will occur at this lowest tier here, but we're going to figure out what the break-even tier would be, as well as the lowest tier that we would have any possible arbitrage relationships for. Which means the first thing that I need to do is build an array with all these tiers in them. So what we're going to do is build an array called tiers, and it's going to be called, or we'll do 0, 0.06. We're going to use the taker fees for using BNB to pay your fees. So actually 0 all the way to 3 are 0.06. So let's actually just start with 3, and we'll assume that that's also for the other 3 tiers that are here. So 4 is 0.054, 5 is 0.048, 6 is 0.042, 7 is 0.036, 8 is 0.030, and 9 is 0.024. And these are all times 2 because we're going to buy and then sell on each transaction, because we want to use our US dollar tether to buy a stablecoin and then go back to US dollar tethered, so that we have more US dollar tether to trade more trades. So we'll just do this. We'll multiply them all by 2, and then we're gonna multiply out our fee discount on those transactions. The fee discount I think only applies up to a certain tier though. I think it might be VIP 3 actually, which would make a lot of sense because those are the lowest tier fees. Sorry, I should say our broker fee discount. And Telegram doesn't want to launch, so let's just not include the broker fee discount because I think it only applies to the first 1, 2, 3. We could actually apply it to the first 3 here, or the first 4 rather. So let's see if our fees are doing what we expect. So that's not what we want. We want tiers fee, because I was using the key rather than the value for my object. So there's my fees there. For fee in tiers, for tier in tiers rather, we'll say fee equals tiers tier. So we want to select the value. make this object. That's the code that I changed since the last time we had a live coding session. Is I added this condition to say if we've already seen this arbitrage opportunity with the exact same ask and bid, then we don't use it again. So let's see if we find any arbitrage opportunities. And I forgot a close. Well, let's just make sure it's working, and then what we're going to do is we're going to output the aggregate value. So let's take this ×2 out of here and see if we find any arbitrage opportunities for lesser fees, and we do. We found a whole bunch for PAX TUSD. So now what I want to do is I want an array of winners equals this. Winners fee equals 0. Winners counts. We're going to count how many times each of them win. Winners Winners arbs. We're going to count the arbitrage opportunities. And we're going to average the arbitrage opportunities, and we're going to count the volumes. Actually, we don't have to set that one originally. So there's that done. So this actually should be a list, I think. And then we want to calculate the average. And then we want to print all the results. Now let's try this for lesser fees again to see if it works in action. Whoops. That wasn't a number, so we couldn't add it. Now we change it into a number from a string. I forgot some letters here. That's what I get for typing instead of copy pasting. And there you have it. That's how we build a model to test what the minimum fee tier for profitability would be. So I'm going to change that fee back to twice what it was. And then we're going to run our bot overnight to check out what results we get. Alrighty, thanks so much and enjoy your day. Bye. Give us a like and a subscribe and a share, by the way. Alright, thank you. Bye.